Welcome to Gokul Global University. Today we will discuss the assignment problem, solving the different type of problems. In previous lecture we will discuss the game theory of most important point of operation research. In this video we were going to simple assignment problems. Assignment problem is nothing but assigning the number of resources to an equal number of activity as minimum cost. In this video we will learn how to solve the assignment problem. So let's begin. Introduction. It involves the assignment people to projects, jobs to machine, workers to jobs and teachers to classes etc. and so many other terms of assignment problem while minimizing the total assignment costs. One of the most important characteristics of assignment problem is that only one job or one worker is assigned to the machine or one project. So particular person have a particular job and particular worker has a particular project, and this is the most important characteristic of this problem. Second thing is that an assignment problem is a special type of linear programming problem where the objective it is the minimize cost or time completing the number of jobs by the number of person. So it is the specify the programming is the objective of for the minimum cost and the number of jobs or machines or person. This method was developed by D. Cohen, an Hungarian mathematician, and therefore it is known as the Hungarian method of assignment problem. We can use Hungarian method for solving assignment problem of the linear programming problem. In order to use this method, one needs to have only the cost making all the possible assignment. Now next is that each assignment problem has a matrix or table associated with it. So normally objects or people one is assigned to express in the row, whereas the columns represent the task or thing assigned to them. Here one person particular assigned to one job, one task for one things and so many other problem in this assignment problem. The number in the table would be the cost associated with a particular assignment. Now we can see the application area of assignment problem. So assignment problem finds the applicability in a various business situation. We discussed some of the main application area of this problem. So we can use this assignment problem very other finding method or other factories, laboratories and so many other things. So in assigning machine to a factory orders, second thing is that marketing, third one is the builder. So assigning constructs to the builder by systematic build evaluation. So for the systematic build evaluation this problem is also very useful. Third one is teaching. So assigning teachers to classes. So class maintained by this problem. Assigning accountants to accounts of the clients. So in account section we can use this problem also. So this is the main application or many useful things of the assignment problem. Now method for solving assignment problem. So how to solve this problem we can learn step by step. So first step is that determine the cost table from the given problem. In this step we can two possibility. First one is that the number of sources equal to the number of destination. Then we can go to the step number 3, and if the number of sources not equal to the number of destination, go to the step number 2. So we can say that step number 2, add a dummy source or dummy destination. So the cost table becomes a square matrix. here the step number 2 is said that if the given problem is a not square matrix, then we becomes a square matrix, then adding one row and one column. The cost entry of dummy sources or dummy columns or dummy destinations are always 0. So we can use this method for square matrix. We can use cost matrix always 0 cost. Step number 3, these are the possibility of sources or equal or destination are not equal. Then we can use this step. So locate the smallest element in each row of the given cost matrix and the subtract from all the element of the row. Next one is that step number 4. In the reduced matrix obtained in step 3, locate the smallest element of column and subtract from each element of that column. So same process we can use the row and column. Each column and row now have at least one 0. So we can use step number 3 or 4 by subtracting the minimum element from each row and each column. Now second one is that in the modify matrix obtained in step number 4, search for optimal assignment problem are follows. So optimal assign are follows. So first one is that examine the row successibility. Second one is the procedure of each column of a reduced matrix. Third is that if row and column or row or column 2 or more 0, then cannot choose the particular inspection, assign the arbitrary 1 0 and cross other than. And third one is that repeat the step number 1 and third above successively. You need the chain of assigning or cross the ends. Next, if the number of assignment is equal to the order of the cost matrix, an optimum solution is reached. If the number of assignment is less than n, then go to the next step. Now next step is draw the minimum number of horizontal or vertical line to cover the all zeros from the reduced matrix. So we can cover all 0 for row or column by horizontal or vertical lines. So we can the minimum cost matrix. Develop the new revised cost matrix as follow. To find the smallest element of reduced matrix or not covered by any of the lines. Subtract this element from an uncovered and add same all the element lying the intersection of any two lines. Go to the step number 6 and repeat the procedure until the optimum solution is attained. We can easily understand this method of each and every step by the example. So in this method we can use the ungated method in the simple 3 step. We can use this method. First step is reduce all element row with the smallest element of each column, same process as the column, and revised table are given. Then we can choose assign the last table from the main cost matrix and use the problem by solving this method. Example number 1. A job has 4 men available for work 4 separate jobs. So here we can see that person A, B, C, D have a 4 job 1, 2, 3 and 4. This type of problem is the balance problem. So next is that only one man can work only one job and the cost assigned each man of the job is given the following table. The objective is assign the man to the job such that the total cost of assignment is minimum. Here we can see that person and job are equal, then it is a square matrix. Now we can choose the smallest element of each row and make a simple 0. See, the first row is not have a single zero, then make a single zero in this first row, second row, third row and fourth row. So in the first row the smallest element is a 20. All entries of cost matrix is that in the first row 20, 25, 22, 28. Second one is that 15, 18, 23, 17. Third one is that 19, 17, 21, 24, and last row 25, 23, 24 and 24. Now subtract the minimum value of each row. Then first row we can give 20. So subtract the 20 from all other value. In the second row smallest element is 15. Then subtract the 15 of all other value. Third row smallest value is 17. Then 70 is subtract from all other value. And third one and last one is that 23. Then subtract the all element of them. Now procedure of this that we can give this table. So step number 1, identify the minimum element in each row and subtract it from every element. Then we can give this following table is that person and job are equal. Here first one is simple 0 and subtract all element. Then the remaining table is that 0, 5, 2, 8. Second row have a 0, 3, 8, 2. Third row have a 0, 1, 0 and fourth row have a only single 1, 0. Now first row, second row, third row and fourth row have a singleton 0, but we can see the all columns. So first column have a 2 simple 0, second column have a 2 simple 0, but third and fourth row have a no single 0. Then we are going to the next step. Step number 2, identify the minimum element of each column and subtract it from every element of that. So here we can see the first column, the simple 0, so smallest value is also 0. Then subtract the 0, then row column is 0, 0, 2, 2. Same as the second column. Third one is that the smallest element is that we can show the previous table. Here 1 and fourth table is also 1. To subtract the 1, 1 from all other values, we can give this table. So third column is that 1, 7, 3, 0 and fourth column is that 7, 1, 6 and 0. Now we are going to the third step. Here all row and all column having a first single 1, 0, then now we can assign this particular person have a particular job. So here we can scan every row and every column. We can say that make a assignment for a reduce the matrix option from step 1 and step 2, then following way. Now our next step is that assign from all person and all job. Then here we scan the first row and first column. So here in the first row have a single 0, but first column have a 2, 0. Then we can assign the first row and second single column have a cross out. Then we can get a one person can a 1, 0 are a fixed job. Now second one have a no any other 0. A third one have a 1 single 0, then assign that. Fourth one have a 2, 0, but here second column we have already assigned the third number row, then we can not assign the last 1, 0. And here third column have a particular 0, then column and row intersection only 1, 0 we can have, then cross out the fourth 0. Now procedure are not complete this table. We can only the third 0, then second row and fourth column are require the many other 0. Then we are going to the next step. So next step is that drawing the minimum number of vertical and horizontal line to necessary to cover all 0 in the procedure of matrix obtained from the last step. So here we can see that person 1 or person A is a particular joint. So here first row have a one single 0, but first column have a 2 0. Then draw the line from that cover. Second, third row have a single 0. Then assign and draw the vertical line, and last row have a 2 0. Then have a 3 0. Then cover this column. So here we can see that the number of column or row is a 4 and vertical or horizontal line is 1, 2 and 3. So one line or remaining, then we can process and give the one other line, then show the next table. Select the smallest element from all the uncovered element and subtract this smallest element from all uncovered element and add it into the element which is lie at the intersection of two lines. Thus we obtain another reduced matrix for a fresh assignment. So here we can see that in previous table cross section is that here 2 2. Okay, so 2 and 2 is a cross section, and for uncovered area is that uncovered entries given is that 5 1 7 3 7 1. So 1 is the smallest value. Then subtract the all uncovered area from 1 and add the 1 is the intersection of row and column. So we can give this table. So all entries of this table is 0 4 0 6 0 2 6 0 3 0 3 6 3 0 0 and 0. Now we can draw the horizontal or vertical line again. So next table is that 4. Here we can draw the vertical line. So first of all, first line have a 2 0, first row. Second row have a 2 0. Third one is single 1 0 and fourth one is a 3 0. We can assign this simply in this table. So first one is 0. So third column have a cross out. Now second one had only single 0. Then fourth column last one has a cross out. Third column have a one single 0. Then assign this job, and fourth row have a 2 remaining 0. Then we can assign the third one is 0. Now here we can say that all row or column intersection having only 1 0 assigning. Since the number of assignment is equal to the number of row or column, this is the optimal solution. Now we can find the minimum cost, then assign this table. So the total cost of assignment problem is A1 plus B4 plus C2 and D3. Here we cannot choose this value of cost matrix in this table. We can use the original table from a cost matrix. So in original cost matrix value is that substitute the value from original table is 20 from the number of A1, 17 for the number of B4, C2 have a 24 and 17 also D3. Now so all the value are given a minimum cost from each row and each column. So adding all the value we have a 78. So minimum cost of this assignment problem is 78. We can use this problem by assignment problem, and solving this method is called a Hungarian method. We can use this type of other example from by solving this Hungarian method also, and we can discuss the unbalanced problem from another method or another problems by the Hungarian method. Thank you.